Queen 6, this is King 6. Enemy tank sighted leaving the depot. We're commencing our attack. Out. This is it, boys. Our decoys should keep those panzers busy while we wipe out their supply. Let's go!
Near the sandbags! On the left! Man down! Wenn dieser Krieg vorbei ist, brauchst du eine größere Insel! Bill! Stay close to me! Enemy down! Hintergrund! Man down!
Germans out in the open! Men ahead!
Make sure those bunkers are secure! Ich hab einen! Englische Truppen! In der Nähe dieser Kisten! Hinter uns! Wir sind diese Ziele! Man down! Benutzt die Granaten! Grenade! Get out of there! Noch ein Sanitäter! Hab ihn erledigt! Sanitäter! Laden ab! Gibt mehr Feuermänner! Ballerinas!
Come on, Davis! We gotta link up with Price and McGregor!
Degener! Degener ist besser!
Second squad, move in! Let's give Sergeant Davis and his boys some cover and fire! It's an empty 42! Davis, good to see you again! Ground troops, stand up, folks! On the left!
Davis, take out their ammunition and fuel stockpiles. Get moving! McGregor, watch the perimeter!
What the bloody hell are you doing? German infantry! Rice, take cover! German infantry! German infantry!
Bunker door open now!
Yes, sir!
Davis, check the bunker for enemy intelligence.
We don't have time to collect a lot of stupid.
Shut it, Mr.
I said keep your bloody mouth shut!
Hey, sir!
Right behind you!
We're needed back in the town, sir. Jerry tanks have been spotted advancing on our positions to the east.
Looks like we're in for a bloody hard fight, lads. Get us back quickly, Private.
Yes, sir.
Davis, McGregor, get in the Bren carrier. Move! We're finished here.